an update here. As per 3 p.m., the voter turnout in multiple states. I'm going to cut to Karnataka first, where I'm at. We're looking at voter turnout in Karnataka at 50.9%. Not the best of numbers, but still, this is the number that's recorded. So it's an appeal to voters to please go out there and cast your vote. Here you have Kerala with 51.64% as of 3 p.m. and Uttar Pradesh at 44.13%. Bihar at 44%, beg your pardon, and West Bengal at 60%. West Bengal, in fact, has shown fairly good voter turnout even in the first phase as well as in the second phase. We're looking at Maharashtra, very poor voter turnout at 43.1%. Well, these are the numbers. Let me start with Karnataka again. 50.9%, not a great number for Karnataka as of 3 p.m. Kerala at 51.6%, Uttar Pradesh at 44.1%, Bihar at 44.2%, West Bengal at 60%, Maharashtra at 43%. Well, these are the numbers in phase 2 across the country. At this point, elections have another 5 phases to go. So this is certainly not motivating, but let's just hope a few more hours to go now in the day. People do get motivated to come by and cast their vote as the sun goes down and the heat gets slightly bearable. I'm going to cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal for more on that, on the Election Commission releasing numbers. Voter turnout there registered at mere 50% average across all states. Aishwarya, take us through how is it really looked at? 50% voter turnout in places like Karnataka, Kerala, etc. Is this a good number registered as per records?
Well, let me tell you, Nabila, we are expecting the numbers to go up because I'll tell you the place where I am. This is Aligarh in the state of UP. So people are now trickling in because it has become a lot more bearable, as you were pointing out. The sun is slowly coming down and it's not as hot as it was in the morning. In Aligarh, the average temperature throughout the day till now at about 4 p.m. has been 40 degrees. And we are now showing you the queues. The people have now started trickling in. The numbers now coming in. Let me tell you about Uttar Pradesh. Aligarh at the moment, Nabila, is at 44%, Amroha 51%, Bagpat is close to 42%, Bulandshahr at 44%, Gautam Budh Nagar, that is the Noida region, is standing at close to 44%, Mathura only at 49%. So we are seeing it increasing minute by minute, and this is exactly what the Election Commission also is hoping for, that the 5 p.m. numbers will actually be much greater than what we have seen in the year 2019. And at least in Aligarh, I can tell you, people are now trickling in large numbers. So we are hoping that the number will be crossing 60 at least. That's what even Election Commission at the moment is hoping for. Nabila.
Okay, well, just imagine we're satisfied with a 60. That's just basically a little above average. But unfortunately, this is what has been recorded. Every 5 years when elections come by, these are the numbers, and we're familiar with this. 60% for us, by and large, is all right. Can we better those numbers? If you can change it, then it's all up to you, in your hands. Do come out and vote. You have 3 more hours to go. Exercise your franchise.